Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a cappuccino using La Pavoni. The key to making a good coffee using La Pavoni is just make sure you need to warm up the machine properly because you want to be, especially your group head and portafilter, to be nice and hot. So I have my infrared gun here. So let's take a look at the temperature. The group head temperature at right now, let's see, about 192 degrees. Because ideally, I want the water to be around between 195 and 200. As you can see from the tank, we are at around 220. That's pretty hot. So what I like to do is, I like to warm up my group head even more so by a couple dummy shots. Introduce hot water to the group head, just slowly, maybe a couple times. But same time, I'm going to heat up my cup as well. So at this point, let's try one more time with my infrared gun. So now, almost 200 degrees, okay, instantly. So now is a good time to prepare the shot here. So now puck is ready. So let's pull the shot here. So I'm planning on doing 1:2 ratio. So 13 in and 26 gram out. Pop it in. I'm going to lock it in now. And I'm going to introduce the water. And I'm going to put the scale. I'm planning on doing, again, a 1:2 ratio. And I'm going to start time when first drop hits. I'm going to slowly introduce water. Okay, I got pre-infusion is done. And I'm going to give it start giving a good pressure here. I'm looking for 26 gram. There we go. You know what, ended up being 31. That's okay. I'm gonna purge a little bit. I'm going to introduce the milk. So milk is ready. And I'm going to have a wet towel to just wipe and clean quick as possible. Just going to purge. Here we go. Looks pretty good. Cappuccino looks really good. I mean, the milk was, I want to be more silkier, but still, you know, it definitely looks really good. So let's try this. So this cup from the Acme cup, Acme cup from 8-ounce coffee supply in Canada. So thank you for sending us the cup here. But this is called Evolution cup. Fantastic cup. Wow. Very creamy. It's not bad, guys. I think I can use more. I need to work on espresso, but overall, this cup is, I don't mind buying this at coffee shop. This is really good. They're fantastic. I mean, overall, using La Pavoni, way you look, man, just really fun to use. So I have, this is a pre-millennium model, so it's before 2000, 49 millimeter portafilter. But again, the overall experience, they're really fun. You have a total control of your shots. Again, you have to manage the heat, the thermal. Thermal management is the key. And once you have that down, man, you can make some really fantastic shot here. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like it, thumbs up, and then make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. See you guys next time.